Greetings, friends of chemistry. I'm here with Martin. We're doing the review questions for what module, Martin?
11.
Module 11. What page are they found on, please?
381.
Please read number 1 to us.
When you dissolve salt in water, which compound is the solute and which is the solvent?
Okay. What is a solute?
A solute is the substance that we're dissolving.
That's right. So salt is the solute. And what's water?
The solvent.
Right, the substance in which you dissolve it.
Yes.
Salt is the solute, water is the solvent. Number 2.
Contrast the way ionic compounds dissolve in water with the way that polar covalent compounds dissolve in water.
Okay. So what do you need to know about ionic compounds?
The electronic attraction.
What are ions?
Like,
I'm going to steal your book for a second. Whoop. Because I'm stealing your book for a second. I said so. Because I want to show you something. I know I'm so boring and useless, but
why you put it. I think we should pause the video.
No, we shouldn't. We should look and see what ions are on page 253. What is an ion?
Put it on my notepad. An atom that has gained or lost electrons and has thus become electrically charged.
We also know you can have polyatomic ions, so more than an atom, right? Multiple atoms. So ions are parts of molecules that have an electrical charge, right?
Yes.
So ionic compounds, when they dissolve in water, what do they dissolve into? You don't know this?
They're individual parts.
They're component what?
Ion.
Yeah, they dissolve into their component ions. So they're going to have charged particles, okay? Yes. How about, what's the other part of the question?
Polar covalent.
I'm just checking, thank you. How do polar covalent?
They don't split into smaller parts. They can't.
Okay, so the molecules dissolve into their polar covalent molecules dissolve as individual molecules, right?
Yeah.
They're not going to break into separate ions, okay? And this is important to know when we're trying to write the chemical equation for a reaction. You have to know if it's an ionic reaction or not. Try not to shake the table, please. You have to know what kind of reaction it is. And are we going to end up with ions or are we going to end up with the same molecule? All right. What is a saturated solution?
A saturated solution is a solution in which the maximum amount of solute has been dissolved.
So a saturated solution contains the maximum amount of solute. I'm going to say maximum possible amount of solute. Okay, no more can be dissolved into that solution. Okay, number 4.
What kind of solute dissolves best under high temperature conditions?
Okay, so here you can look on page 358 at table 11.1, which is a summary of how solutes dissolve in liquid solvents. Okay, so which one of these
Solid,
dissolves
liquid,
best
and
under
gas.
high temperature conditions? Which one,
No, I
if
don't
we
think
increase the
that's true.
temperature, will it dissolve more better?
I don't think that.
We covered this. We covered this in the On Your Owns. We covered this in a variety of places. I'm trying to find.
It's
Can you
not on
move
the
your hands?
table,
I
but
appreciate
it is
it.
around there.
Yes, I believe you. Move your hands, please,
It's
so that I
right
can turn
there
the
above
pages
the table,
freely.
and I was just.
Here on page 362, we see the rules of solubility. Solid solutes, solubility increases with increasing temperature. Liquid solutes are not affected by temperature. Gases, as the temperature goes up, they become less soluble. So the question is, which dissolves best under high temperature conditions? So the answer is a solid solute. For some reason, I'm unable to write my letters. I'm going to pause the video here and we'll come back with number 5.